Hi, in this tape we are going to make a floor and a ground outside the villa. Then I'm going to show you how to make a swimming pool and water for the outside ground. Now let's start from making the floor inside the villa. Use creating floor function to get the wall line of the house. Then pick an internal point inside the house and define the thickness of the floor, which is 5 mm. Now we can draw the area for the outdoor ground. Let's zoom in the place where we're going to start. I'm going to use polyline to draw this area. Start from here. Draw a rectangle which can define the area of the yard. Type in dimensions. Now use floor function to bring it out. Internal point. Now we can see the outdoor ground has been created. Now in this section we are going to make a swimming pool and make some water for it. Firstly, draw a bigger rectangle as the backyard area. Let's use rectangle. Start from here. Define the region by numbers. Then let's make another one, a smaller one, as the swimming pool. Now let's use extrude function to lift up the backyard a little bit so as to the swimming pool the same. Thirdly, let's extrude the swimming pool from the backyard. Now let's bring out the solid editing from the toolbar. Pull it aside. Then let's use subtract from this toolbar and choose backyard first. Right click confirm and pick the swimming pool, so we will have a hollow space in the pool. Okay. Now we can start creating some water. Firstly, let's draw another rectangle inside the pool. Be very careful not making the rectangle touch the boundary of the swimming pool. Drag the rectangle all the way to the other side. Make it possibly close to the edge. Okay, after that we may extrude this rectangle as we did earlier. 700 as the depth of the water. Later in the VR parts we will make more water effect on it. In this section we are going to make a small yard and the steps. At first, let's draw a rectangle to outline the area for the small yard. Draw the rectangle and define the area by numbers. Then we may extrude a little bit. Then draw a line on the ground along the line on the right side, like this. Now I'm going to reset the UCS to get a better view to make stairs. Now let's draw a line as the backboard of the stairs. 1000 height. Now make the stairs as following steps. When finished, let's use wood panel to concrete these stairs. Lastly, let's move it to the swimming pool. Get the base point on the foot. Place it beside the swimming pool. Here. Okay, finished. Now in the last section we are gonna make a wall for the whole villa. A little bit similar as earlier steps, let's make a rectangle to fully cover the villa and yard. Use rectangle function. Start from the end point of the yard. Use numbers to cover the full region. Then we can use the offset to make a parallel to frame the rectangle we made. Then let's use extrude to bulk out the shapes. (3,000mm) height. In the end, let's use subtract function from the toolbar on the right hand to form the wall. Okay, finished. Let's check. Now we have finished the modeling part of this scene.